Zach the Plotagon Maker 2007 Enterprise Inc. presents Revenant Guybuddy and Dark Guybuddy Burps in class/grounded.
Okay class, today we are going to read a storybook. Revenant Guybuddy and Dark Guybuddy, how dare you burp in class? That's it, go to the principal's office right now.
Revenant Guybuddy and Dark Guybuddy, why are you here?
I burp in class.
I burp in class. Revenant Guybuddy and Dark Guybuddy, we don't ever burp in class. That's it, you are suspended for 4 weeks, go home right now.
Revenant Guybuddy and Dark Guybuddy, I can't believe you got suspended from school for burping in class. That's it, both of you are grounded for 55503916420031496689825 years. Go to your room right now and never ever come out.
Wow.